Planyard seamlessly integrates with Xero to automate cost tracking and eliminate manual data entry. Instead of chasing emails and manually entering invoices, all cost documents are collected in one place. Project managers review and approve them, and once approved, they're instantly sent to Xero with all necessary details, saving time, reducing errors, and keeping financial records accurate. Now, let's talk about how data moves between the two platforms. Any cost you approve in Planyard is instantly sent to Xero as a bill to pay. The information sent to Xero will include the original cost document, a reference to make reviewing documents easier, as well as a link to the cost within Planyard. Contact information syncs both ways, so whether you add a contact in Xero or Planyard, it stays updated in both systems. This ensures that your supplier and client contact information is available, and when a cost is forwarded from Planyard, it will also contain the correct supplier. Planyard also imports the chart of accounts from Xero, which allows you to link budget line items directly to them. This means that when a cost is forwarded to Xero, it can also contain the correct accounting account. Tracking categories in Xero will also be imported into Planyard, allowing you to assign them to projects for better cost tracking. Once set, all approved costs sent to Xero will include the correct tracking category, keeping your financial reports organized without manual updates. Let's go ahead and set up the integration.
To connect Planyard with Xero, you'll need the right permissions in both systems. Once that's confirmed, log into Planyard, go to Company in the top menu, click Integrations, and find the Xero logo. Clicking Connect will prompt you to log in to Xero and authorize Planyard. Once that's done, the integration is live, and moving forward, all approved costs will be automatically transferred to Xero without any extra steps. Once the integration is in place, it's now possible to link budget line items with the appropriate accounting accounts in Xero. To do this, navigate to your project, go to Settings, and enable the Chart of Accounts feature. Once activated, you can open a table displaying your budget line items in the left column and the account it's linked to in Xero in the right column. If you see a warning triangle next to any line item, it means there's no Xero account assigned yet. To fix this, double-click the blank cell in the right column and select the correct account for the item. You can bulk select by double-clicking a blank cell for a cost heading and selecting the account. If your budget items already match account names in Xero, you can speed things up by clicking Auto Match Accounts, which will automatically link them where possible. Matching items with accounts in Xero ensures that when an approved cost is sent to Xero, it's categorized correctly for financial reporting. Let's move on to tracking categories. To use them, you first need to activate the feature at the company level. Go to Company Settings, click Integration Settings, and enable tracking categories. Then, in your project, go to Settings, click Change Tracking Category, select the right category, and save the changes. Now, any costs transferred from Planyard to Xero in this project will include the assigned tracking category, helping you maintain better financial oversight across your projects. To summarize, Planyard collects invoices, which are then reviewed and approved by project managers or other project team members. Once approved, the invoice is automatically sent to Xero as a bill to pay with all relevant details, including the supplier, accounting account, tracking category, and amount, seamlessly transferred from Planyard. And that's it. The Planyard Xero integration eliminates manual data entry and invoice chasing by automatically transferring approved costs with all necessary details. This saves time, reduces errors, and gives project managers and accountants a real-time financial overview. If you need any help, feel free to reach out via the support chat in the lower right corner.